What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you which VPN is better, WireGuard or OpenVPN. So, if you're deciding between these tools here, or in this case VPN software, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So, in this case, let's start with OpenVPN. Now, it's been around for a long time and it's considered the gold standard when it comes to VPN protocols. Now, you might be asking why? Well, because it's battle tested, highly configurable, and widely supported across almost every platform. That includes Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, routers, or even older legacy systems. Now, if you're dealing with complex network environments or need maximum flexibility, then OpenVPN can handle it. Now, you can tweak the encryption levels, set up different tunneling methods here, and it's trusted in enterprise environments around the world. Now, that said, all that power comes with some trade-offs here. OpenVPN isn't the fastest, and it has a relatively heavier setup. It needs more system resources and can be a bit more complex to configure, especially if you're running your own VPN server. Now, let's look at WireGuard. Now, WireGuard is the new kid on the block here. It's built for modern age, it's lightweight, super fast, and incredibly simple. Now, the code base is minimal here, which makes it easier to audit and secure. Setup is straightforward, no bloated options or outdated tech here. It just works, and it works fast. That makes it the favorite for, in this case, for personal users who just want a quick, secure connection without dealing with all the advanced knobs and settings here. Now, in terms of costs, both OpenVPN and WireGuard here are free and open source, so there's no licensing fee here. But if you are self-hosting, you may still need to pay for the server you run them on, or more commonly, you'll just use a VPN provider that supports them. Many commercial VPNs let you choose between the two. Now, in this case, if you want a complete control and flexibility here, well, OpenVPN is a better tool. But if your goal is the speed and ease of use, well, WireGuard is the smarter choice here. In this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.